Hi dear students, welcome to online education program. So, in the previous session we discussed the various methods of index number. So, under that we two important methods, simple aggregate method and weighted aggregate method. So, simple index number, in the simple index number, so under that two methods, one is a simple aggregated method and simple average of a price index method. Under that simple average price index method, so we work out some problems. It is one of the case, so it can be raised for a 10 marks question, 10 marks question. So here from the following data, this is the data is given. So, from the following data, construct an index number. So, for 2001 taking 1996 as the base year. 1996 is the base year. This is called as so P0, that is the base year P0. So, it should be calculate the construct index number for the year 2001, that is called as present year. So, as the base year by the average of a price relatives method. So, average price relatives method, that is nothing but a simple average of a price relatives method. This is the method, second method in the under first second method. So, using AM and GM. So, under that three can be classified, that is AM method, GM method and ME method. So, AM nothing but arithmetic mean method, geometric mean method and median method. So, in this case he is asking arithmetic mean method and geometric mean method. So, what data is given? Commodity. So, under commodity wheat is there, wheat, rice, sugar, ghee and tea is given. So, various commodities. So, how many commodities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, n equals 5, that is 5 commodities are given. Then price for 1996 and the price for 2001 is given. So, this is the price for 1996 nothing but P0, price for 2001 is nothing but P1, that is the current year, P0 is the base year. So, based on this to construct the index number, construction of index number. So, here in the solution, so take the commodity column, then P0 that is the base year, then P1 that is the current year, then after that P has to calculate, P nothing but so P1 divided by P0 into 100. Based on that it should be calculate. So, commodity wheat, rice, sugar, ghee and tea. So, total that is nothing but sigma. So, P that is a base year price is 12, 20, 12, 40 and 80. So, sigma P0 equals 80 plus 120, 130, 152, 164, 4. So, 12, 13, 14, 16. So, 164. Then P is P1, that is called as the price of present year, 16, 25, 16, 60, 96. So, summation of P1 equals, so 6 plus 6 12, 17, 23, 3, 2, so 2, 18, 20, 21, 213. So, 213 and 146. Now, P equals, So, P1 that is 16 divided by 12 into 100, 16 divided by 12 into 100, that is, so 16 divided by 12 into 100, that is 133.33, 133.33. Now, the second item, rice 25, the present value, previous value, that is the base year value is 20 into 100. So, that is 120, 125, 125. Then 16 divided by 12 into 100, so 133.33, 133.33. Then 60 divided by 40, 60 divided by 40 into 100 equals, so that is 150, 150. Now, last T 96 is the present value, base value is 60 into 100, so that is 120, 120. So, sigma p equals that is 661, 661.66. So, based on the arithmetic mean, has to calculate what is the mean value, what is that index value. So, under that AM P01 equals, so what is the formula? P01 equals sigma P1 divided by P0 whole divided by n. Sigma P1 divided by P0 whole divided by n. So, sigma P1 divided by P0, so you already calculated, that is nothing but a P. So, P sigma is so 661.66 divided by n is number of items, that is 245. So, n equals 5. So, divided by 5, 666.66 divided by 5, that is 132.33 as the index value for according to your arithmetic mean, So, in geometric mean, second one. So, geometric mean of index value, that is P01 equals what is the formula? Anti-log of sigma log P divided by n. So, P is calculated, log P has to calculate, log P equals, so log of 133.33, so that is 2.12. So, 125 log of 125, so that is 2.09, log of 133 2.12, so log of 150 2.17, log of 120 2.07. Now, what is the summation of log P? So, that is sigma log P equals 10.57. Now, anti-log of, so summation of log P is 10.57 divided by n equals 5. Now, anti-log of 10.57 divided by 5 equals 2.114. So, anti-log of 2.114 equal to 122.45. So, this is the solution. Under so geometric mean of index value. Say in the case is given, commodity is given, price for 96, price for 2001. So, base year is 96, so 2001 is the current year. Based on the calculate the index number or construct the index number by average of price relatives method, average of price relatives methods, under that using AM method and GM method. So, commodities P value, that is nothing but a previous or base year value, P1 is the current year value. Now, P has to calculate, P is nothing but a P1 divided by P0 into 100. So, that is has to calculate sigma P equals to 661.66 and log of P, log value for individual P values. So, has to calculate, then sigma log P equals to 10.57. So, this is the table has to calculate. After that, so that is arithmetic mean of index value. So, P01 equals sigma P1 divided by P0, sigma of P1 divided by P0. So, that is nothing but a sigma P divided by N. N is the number of items or commodities of 5. So, 661.66 divided by N equals 5, that is 132.33 is index value. So, compared to, so it means in 1996, so the value of the commodity is 100, now it is increased to the all the commodities by 132.33. It means 32.33 percentage of price is increases. 32.33 percentage of price is increases from compared to 1996 to 2001. That is the meaning of index value. That is the meaning of index value according to arithmetic mean value. Based on the geometric value of index value, so P01 equals antilog of summation of log P divided by N. So, we here P value is calculated, then calculate the log of P, that is 133.33 of log, the 2.12, then log of 125 is 2.02, log of 133.33 is 2.12, log of 150 2.17, log of 120 2.07. Based on this log value, take the total of log P, that is log P sigma of summation of log P equals so 10.57, total of this addition of this 10.57. So, geometric mean of index value antilog of summation of log P divided by N. So, summation of log P divided by N value is 10.57 divided by N value is 5. So, now simplify this 10.57 divided by 5, 2.114. Then antilog of 2.114 is 122.45, that is the index value compared to the geometric mean of index value. So, 100 is increases to 122.45. It means 22.45 percentage of commodity price is increases. That is the meaning of solution of this. So, this is how the questions is raised in the case studies and what is the solution, how to draft the solution based on arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So, table is single, in the single table. So, I have to calculate arithmetic mean and the second one calculate the geometric mean of index value. Thank you.